Hey everyone, it's Jamie. Welcome back. So today's video is another Dollar Tree haul, and I'm kind of excited about a couple of the things that I found. So I'm going to go ahead and get started and show you guys what I got. So first I'm going to start off with boring stuff, but I went ahead and picked up one of these floral foams. You get 4 pieces in here. They're these little squares. But I got these because I'm doing a DIY right now that I'm in the process of filming, and I ran out of this and didn't know it, so I had to go back and get some. So I went ahead and just grabbed one package of those, and I also needed one of these, and it's just the Craft Floral Foam, the 2.9 inch by 3.9 inch by 3.9 inch. So I went ahead and grabbed one of those because I'm going to be probably needing that, maybe. I don't know yet. Okay, so I found some more Easter ribbon. Now, they have this every year, I think. I know I got this last year. So, but this ribbon, I was in love with it last year, and it's not changed. I still love it. So I went ahead and grabbed 2 rolls of it, because I think I've about used all of it up from last year. But this is so cute. I just love the little bunny butts. Oh my goodness. So I went ahead and grabbed 2 of those. These are there's 3 yards, the 2.5 inch wide, and it's in the Easter section. So I did grab 2 of those. And then I picked up this one, which is just I think it's like a robin's egg blue kind of burlap material. So I did grab just 1 roll of that. Also, I was looking at, they got these new Floral Pick things in, which I don't know if they had these last year or not, but they may have. But these are so pretty. And they are the ones that kind of look like, I don't know, they kind of look like they're fuzzy feeling. They feel fuzzy. And the little cashier girl, she said, it looks like they've got frost on them. So, which, I mean, she's right. They do kind of look like they're frosty. So, anyway, I went ahead and just grabbed a handful of these. And they are, I think I grabbed 2 of each, maybe. Yeah, I grabbed 2 of each. So this one is it just says greenery bouquet. So, but I think it's really pretty. It's got like this lavender on there. It's also got this fern looking piece, and these different kinds of leaves, which I think are really pretty. So I did grab 2 of those. And then they have this one, and they're also just calling it a greenery bouquet. But I thought this one was pretty too. So I just really like well, this one doesn't have it, does it? Oh no, I wonder, oh, I guess they are different. So I did just get 1 of each then. So I grabbed this one. This one's pretty because I really like this flower right here. And I don't know, these little purple flowers are so pretty. Those remind me of clover. Does that remind you of clover? I don't know. Grab that, and then this one has these yellow, I don't know what those are either. I am not good with flowers at all. And then these look like little berries or something. I don't know. And then I love the fern that's on there. I just love ferns. So anyway, grab that one. I thought those were really pretty. Okay. So I have seen things like this, but they were calling it baker's twine. And it was in the small little bitty, like, I think you could get a 3-pack of different colors. But this, they're calling cotton twine, and it's by Simply Home. Now, I don't know if Simply Home is a Greenbrier brand. I'm trying to read here on the label, but I don't see where it says Greenbrier, because usually it'll say Greenbrier on it, but they had these, and I think these are new. So the cotton twine, So I went ahead and I just grabbed pretty much one of each color. So they have this green and white one. And this looks a lot like the baker's twine. It says there's 180 feet here, 100% cotton craft string. So I grabbed this green and white one. They also had this red and white one. They had this black, yeah, it's black and white. So the white kind of looks cream on there, but it's black and white. And then this gray, the gray and white one, which I think is really pretty. So I picked those up because, I don't know why. Just thought I'd get them. Maybe I could figure out something to do with them. I don't know. So this is boring, but this is by Jot. It's the Magnifying ruler. So I thought that was really cool. A magnifying ruler. I've never seen this at my Dollar Tree before. So I did go ahead and grab it. And I don't have any rulers. The only thing that I have is like a yardstick. So I don't know. And I think this is even better because it's see-through. You can see right through it. So I went ahead and grabbed one of those. The next thing that I picked up, now my Dollar Trees have been out of these for a while. And I was kicking myself when they had them before and I didn't get them and I should have. But they got some more in. So I was happy to find them. It's the Essentials Over the Door hooks. Now I went ahead and grabbed 2 of them. I probably should have grabbed more because I have a couple of DIYs that I'm wanting to do with these. So these are made really, really well. Now I do have one of the ones that the Dollar Tree carries all the time, the white ones. And they're a little bit flimsy, so you got to be careful what you hang on there. But these, they seem like they're really, really sturdy. So I did grab 2 of these. I probably, like I said, should have grabbed more. But I do have a couple of DIYs that I'm going to be doing something with those. So I'm glad they had them. Okay, they had some more of the glitter vase filler. And I'm obsessed with glitter vase filler. But I went ahead and grabbed a couple more packages. There is 110 pieces in here. And these are all the like pastel colors, which I think are really pretty. So I grabbed a couple of those. And they have these, I think, every year too. But it's the, this was in the Easter section. It's the little bunny tails. They're so cute. I have bought these before and I actually made a bunny butt wreath using one of these. Which I have that tutorial on my channel. But fair warning, if you want to go watch it, that's fine. I appreciate it. But I was having technical issues with editing software and everything when I did that tutorial. And I had already done the tutorial. I filmed it, uploaded it, edited it, and everything. And then when I went to upload it to YouTube, it has the logo and everything stretched way across the screen through the whole entire video of the free editing app that I was using. I think it was Filmora 9, but it was the free version. And I didn't know that it put a big old watermark across the whole screen through the whole entire video. I was so upset because that video took me forever to make and to edit and to upload. It just took forever. So I just left it there. And I know it's not the greatest because, you know, it has that watermark on there. It's kind of aggravating. I'm thinking about, because I still have the video on my computer, so I'm thinking about going back through and maybe re-editing it using the software that I'm using now, which doesn't have a watermark. So, I don't know. I don't know if I'm going to do that or not. But anyway, just thought I'd put that, give you that little bit of information. But I did use one of these in that tutorial. So, went ahead and grabbed another one. I may make another bunny butt. Well, we'll see. Okay, so these are so cute, and these are new this year. I'm pretty sure. These are new this year. But they are the treat sacks, and they are the bunny treat sacks. Now, I know they had treat sacks similar to this last year, and I got some, but these, I don't think they had these last year. Correct me if I'm wrong. but these are adorable. You only get 2, but look at the ears on these. They are so long and droopy and like, I don't know, they're so cute. You can just fold the little ears over its eyes so it can play peekaboo. I don't know, it's so cute. But I don't know, there's so many things you can do with this too. His little bunny face is so cute too. I don't know, it was just adorable. So I grabbed 2 packages of those. There are 2 in there, so I thought those were cute. Okay, and last but not least, guys, I don't think they had this last year either, but oh my word. Look at these. These are so cute. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this is the hand soap, and you get 10 ounces. So 10 ounces of hand soap, and this one is in the bottle is like a bunny, a little white Easter bunny. He's so cute. Oh my goodness. So cute. I love it whenever they come out with these hand soaps that are shaped in different characters and stuff. It's so cool. But I did not smell this in the store, so I have no clue. I don't know. It doesn't smell bad. It's just, I wonder if it tells you what scent is on here. It even gives you directions on how to use soap. If you don't know how to use soap, come on, people. Yeah, I don't see a scent on here, but I mean, it doesn't smell bad. It doesn't smell horrible, but I can't place what the scent is exactly. So, I don't know. If you see them, grab them. And then this one is so cute. It's a little chick coming out of an egg. Isn't that just adorable? That's so cute. Oh my goodness. So let me see if this one, what it smells like. If it smells the same, I don't know. No, it's got a different smell. I don't know. I'm not good with smells either, guys. So I'm not really sure what this one smells like. It smells good. It doesn't smell bad or anything. It's just, I don't know what the smell is. And it doesn't say on the bottle anywhere that I can see. It doesn't say, but these are made by Greenbrier. So, and I know that I think Walmart a lot of times will carry soaps, these little novelty soap dispensers with soaps in them. And they go for more than $1. I think they're like $2.88 or something like that for them. So if you see these at your Dollar Tree, pick them up. So anyway, that is the end of my haul, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I wanted to thank everyone who has subscribed to my channel. I appreciate it so much. So if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead, and I hope that you guys are having a wonderful day. I wanted to thank you all for watching, and I'll talk to you all later. Bye!